If you want to see an easy method to drive massive amounts of free traffic to your Clickbank offers, then you're certainly going to want to stick around and see this video, and I'm going to get you started on that about right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy method where you can drive lots of traffic, free traffic, to your Clickbank offers. This can be done with any Clickbank offer you want. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get started in on this. And if this is your first time to my videos, or you've been here before and you haven't yet subscribed, well, I don't know why you're holding back. Reach down there and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. Alrighty. Alright, well, I'm anxious to show this to you, so let's go ahead and get started right in on this. We're going to come over here, of course, and we're going to click on our Opera browser. That's what I like to use. What we're going to do is first, of course, you got to come to Clickbank and get your product, right? Now, this can be done with any product from anywhere in the world, and it's all 100% free. We'll just say that right at the outset, okay? Now, come to Clickbank. If you don't have an account with Clickbank, it's easy enough to create one. Clickbank.com, create an account. Just use a good email address and they'll give you an account nickname that you can use, or you can create one and use that for your hop links or your affiliate links with Clickbank products. Alright, so you come to Clickbank, you've got your account, you sign in, you come over here and you click on Marketplace up here, right? Now, then what you do is you just want to come and click on the search magnifying glass right here. You don't have to type anything into the search engine, just click on the search. It loads up the most popular products, would have the highest gravity or selling the best on Clickbank, the products that are selling the best. Now, like I said, this can be done with any Clickbank product, but I'm going to use a relationship product today for this example. Normally I'll use like weight loss or affiliate marketing products or something like that you've seen in my videos in the past. I'm going to use one in the relationship market. As you know, the three main markets are relationships, wealth, and health and fitness or health and wellness. Okay? So this one's going to be in the relationship market right here today. And I'm going to use this one right here. It's His Secret Obsession. Incredible conversions for female cold traffic. Alright. Now, why I'm choosing this one is because this particular offer will create a ebook for you, or a PDF file. Okay? Because that's what we're going to be using today. We're going to use an ebook or PDF file in the form of an ebook. And what I like about this particular product is that it will automatically create that for you with your affiliate links already right into it. Okay, so you're just ready to go. Now, with any of the other, you can do this with any of the other Clickbank products if you want to choose a different one or whatever. But you may have to create your own ebook, and you can do that by going to docs.google.com, where they allow you to create a free PDF file there. You can create an ebook and use an article off of like e-zine articles or something like that, and create yourself an ebook there and put your links, your affiliate links, right in the text and anchor links, and add some images of your product into that there. And then you can go over to a place called canva.com. Most of you have heard of that, and you can create a free ebook cover there to make it look professional, and add that to your PDF file, and then just save that and download it to your hard drive. And you can do the very same thing that you're going to see me do here, only I'm just going to use the product where it creates it automatically for me. And you can do this too, doesn't matter. Now, so what we're going to do is we come here. First of all, I'm going to show you the sales page for this. This is a VSL, video sales letter, and your traffic will be sent to this page right here, and they'll get to watch this here, and there'll be a button that'll show up down here where they can order this product, and you will make an average sale of $47 on this product. This product particular product here has upsells and downsells to it where you can make even more sales or more money on the back end. But the average sale is about $47 a pop. Okay, so this is the video sales letter page here. Just means there's a video there and they can watch this, and so on and so forth. Now also, what we want to do here, what I want to do is come over to the affiliate page where you get all your tools to do a marketing for this particular product. So if I click on that, open it up in another tab, it comes over here. This is called his secret obsession. It's about how women can find out the triggers about how to get a man to like her and so on and so forth. Alright, now what we want to do is I want to get the ebook off of here. I want to create an ebook out of this, and the nice thing about this, if you come up here to where it says custom reports, you see custom PDF reports right here. Now when you click on it, it's going to come up here and want you to sign up to be an affiliate with this product. But we can come down here to the bottom of this and it says take me to the tools area. In other words, just skip this. Alright, so it brings you over here to this page here. Now what we want to do from here is we want to go to articles and reports. Click on that, and down here you see it says custom PDF reports here. Okay, click on that. Now create a personalized PDF affiliate report. Follow the steps below to generate a customized PDF report which includes links to what men secretly want in your Clickbank hop link. Okay, so they give you some titles to use on it, and different ones here. The secret to building forward momentum, the secret to understanding male attraction triggers, and how to fascinate a guy who thought he was not ready for a relationship. I like the secret to understanding male attraction triggers. Now, this is going to be for women, guys. This particular offer here is going to be for women. Alright? Now, so I chose that as my title for my ebook. Now in here, I'm going to put in my affiliate ID, my Clickbank affiliate nickname or ID. You want to make sure you do that too. If you're using this product, make sure you do this. Now then, the next section down here is select from these optional features. You can put a tracking ID in here if you want to, and you can add a personalize this free report compliments of your name or your business name or whatever you want to. I'm just going to leave that blank, but this one right here, it says check this box to add a message that invites readers to share your customized PDF, which is optional. I'm going to check that box because I want people to share this book, because it's going to have my affiliate links in it, and it'll have your affiliate links in it, right? Alright, so then after that, we'll just click this down here to show that we're not any kind of a robot, right? We're actually alive, so so we click that, and then just click on generate the PDF here. Alright, so you see it comes over here and it creates this, and it put my title that I chose up here, and it creates this PDF. If you see here, remember I checked the box about sharing it right here. Yes, this report was written to benefit everyone. You're welcome to share it, just don't change it. And everywhere you see a link that has my affiliate link into it, everywhere you see the link, it's about a 15-page report here. Another affiliate link, another one. There we go. So anyway, it's about a 15-page report. If we scroll down, you can see that it's got, each page has the affiliate link at the bottom of it there. And then, but farther down you get towards the end of this, you'll see that there are more than one affiliate link. Like right here, there's one right here in the middle of this sentence, down here at the bottom again, then here as well, and then also right here as well. So it automatically puts your affiliate links in there for you. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool thing here. But like I said, if you need to create one for a different product, just go to docs.google.com with your Google account, make your PDF there, use canva.com to create a free ebook cover like you see up here at the top of this one. That's an ebook cover is all that is. And then put yourself a title in for your product, and then download it and save it. All right. Now, so we have our book downloaded at this point. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to a site here, how we're going to get traffic to this, right? We're going to get massive amounts of traffic to this PDF. Prepare to be blown away by this. This is pretty wild. It's a place, it's called PDF Drive. You want to come to a site called pdfdrive.com. You see that up here in the address bar, pdfdrive.com. This is where you can upload free ebooks or PDF files for free with your affiliate links inside them. You understand this? How this? You see what I'm getting at here now? Look at some of these downloads right here. Let's just take this one for example right here that showed up. Living in the Light, a guide to personal transformation. Look at how many downloads this book has had. 135,000 downloads. Guys, do you see the potential here? The next one down here, 219,000, 287,000, 77,000. Okay, why are we choosing this particular site? Well, let's have a look and see. And I'll show you why. We come over on Google Chrome with PDF Drive loaded up. We come up here to SimilarWeb, our browser extension, which you can get for free, Chrome Web Store, and it shows you the amount of traffic to any website in the world. Click on it, it comes out from here, and you see down here, it shows it up here. Make sure it has that website in here, pdfdrive.com. That's the one we're talking about. We scroll this up so you can see it. Look at the monthly visits, guys. That's about 19 million people per month. Are you blown away? That's a lot of traffic, guys. That's a teetotaling ton of traffic. If you look up here, you can see the graph. Back in April, starting with April up to September of this year, it started out at 10 million. That's still a killer amount of traffic. But look, all year long, from April all the way up, it's been on the upswing. To now, it's up to about almost 19 million visitors per month. The traffic here is astronomical. Okay? All right. That's why we're using this website. Now, what you want to do here, come back here to it on my other browser, is you want to create a free account. Again, this is free and can be used from anywhere in the world. Okay? So you want to click a free account. Now, or click sign in, and I've already got an account created here. And as you can see, it'll bring you this. My information's already in here because I have an account, but you can click right here to create an account, and it comes over and it asks you for your full name, your email address, and then your password. Check the I'm not an electronic gadget thing, you know, and then click sign up. Okay. All right. So nevertheless, we're just going to sign in here, and then once you get signed in, what we're going to do is we're going to put our ebook into actually we're going to look up, since this is this particular product I'm showing you this example with is an ebook for women about men and their relationships, right? So I'm going to type relationships in their search engine here, relationships, and then women. So you see it gives all the different ebooks or PDFs. Look at these downloads on this, 100,000. You see the potential of this, guys? And it's got all kinds of ebooks that people can, and it shows which ones are even new as well, that women can download that have to do with relationships, so on and so forth. All right, so then what we do then is we come over here where you signed in at, which shows your account name right here. Click that little drop down arrow, and then you want to click on upload right here. We're going to upload our PDF onto this site. Oh, by the way, when you sign in, they're going to give you the option to get a premium account with this site if you want to pay for it, but make sure you choose the free one. You don't need it. The free one gives you up to 100 megabytes of storage on their server, which ebooks are about, maybe 200 kilobytes per ebook. So how many ebooks would that be that you could upload that were maybe 15 pages long? 100, something like that. I don't know, probably more than that. But click on upload right here. That brings us over here to this page right here, this little page, share your documents. Then we're going to click on choose a file, and then come to where our file download. I named mine Secret Triggers, a PDF, and then I'm going to put a title in here. Now I've already created one right here, which is the title of the ebook, The Secret to Understanding Male Attraction Triggers, right? And I'm going to copy that and simply put that right into here. Alright, so that'll be the heading or the title that they'll see to the ebook. Alrighty, then I'm going to check I'm not an electronic gadget, and then we'll just click on upload here. Okay, just click on upload here. As you can see, it's already uploaded. It says thanks for uploading to PDF drive and sharing your document. Please allow us some time to index the file and you will be notified accordingly. You can upload another one below. So they will probably put it in the category that it needs to go in, which would probably have to do with relationships already. But you can see in the relationships one that I showed you, there's quite a few there that are, have been uploaded and downloaded for relationships. Relationships is a huge market too. It's really a powerful, big market that you can make money with. Alrighty, so that is uploaded now, and if we scroll down here, you can see where it says My Uploads right here. And there it is, The Secret to Understanding Male Attraction Triggers. It shows it was uploaded this year, how big it was, no downloads yet, of course, and it's new. And people can save it to their drive, download it, preview, and like it. And the PDF cover, I wonder about that. That's something new I didn't see here. Let's see if we got to upload a cover. May need to make a cover upload for this. I thought it would use the cover off the ebook that's there right now. So let's see what this is here. Yeah, I wonder about. So I might have to look into that a little further. Putting up, unless later on down the road, I'll come back and check this and see if they don't put the cover in there, because they're still working on getting it up and getting it, I guess, situated or assimilated into their network here. So, but anyways, guys, that's what I wanted to show you. As you can see, this is a easy method to drive a massive amount of traffic to your Clickbank offers this way. Alrighty, guys, if you got some value out of this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see how to make large, high-ticket sales, don't forget to click that link down there in the description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and get out of the rat race and get yourself into a high-ticket affiliate marketing business today for less than a cup of Starbucks coffee. Alrighty? Alrighty, guys, I think I'll let you go with that. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. Alright, you guys take care. Have an awesome day now. Bye-bye.